At the heart of the Salzburg region of Austria, you can find a ski resort which is home to one of the most unique snow parks, as well as one of the best Aprés ski bars in Europe. Nestled at the centre of the Salzburg sportwelt ski area, a part of Austria's largest ski region, the ski Amade, that resort is none other than Flachau. In this video, we will show you everything you need to know before planning a vacation in Flachau. And if you stick around until the end of the video, you'll get some great tips that will help you to make better decisions, save time, and most importantly, money. The closest airports to Flachau are Salzburg, with a transfer time of 50 minutes, Munich, with a transfer time of 2 hours and 23 minutes, and Innsbruck, with a transfer time of 2 hours and 40 minutes. Flachau ski area is called Snow Space, and is particularly well known for its fast chairlifts. The ski area is comprised of 120 kilometers of connected ski runs, together with Wachrein and Alpendorf, and in 2014 got a big boost after the completion of the G-Link cable car. The village of Flachau, the home of the legendary ski champ Hermann Maier, sits at an altitude of 880 meters. And what not many people know is that next to the Stradjet lift, you can find one of the best Apres ski bars in Austria, the Hofstadel. While the nightlife in Flachau is average, the best places to have some fun in the evening are Musikstadel and Fire&Ice, the Austrian club brand. Within a short 10-minute ski bus drive from Flachau, you can find Flachau Winkel, which also connects you to the villages of Sauchensee and Kleinal. The mountain that connects Flachau Winkel and Kleinal is called Shuttleberg. In December 2019 or 2020, Shuttleberg and Flachau will be directly connected when the construction of a 3.1 kilometre, 10-seater gondola is complete, thereby making the Snow Space ski area one of the largest in Austria. In Shuttleberg, you can find one of the best and most unique snow parks in Austria, Absolute Snow Park. The snowpark is 1.5 kilometers long and readily caters for any fantasy a freestyler may have in mind. There is even a skateboard park where you can don your sneakers and ride a board on the ramps. To conclude, here are our ratings for Flachau. For snowboarders, 8. Advanced skiers, 7. Intermediate skiers, 7.5. Beginners, 8. Freestylers, 9.5. Freeriders, 6. Nightlife, 7. Après ski, 9. Resort charm, 7. Our total score for Flachau is 7.5. Our bonus tips for Flachau. You better come with a car to Flachau. There are free parking lots next to the SpaceJet and Echtejet lifts. Flachau is located on an exit from A10, a major highway that will lead you easily from the airport. It can be a great base point for ski safari to explore the ski Amade region. If you don't come with a car, the best place to stay is close to the Starjet lift. That way you will be close to the Hofstadel and to village centre. If you liked this video, you can watch our videos on Ischgl, Zell am See and other ski resorts. You'll make our day if you push the like button. Better yet, why not subscribe for free to our channel? And don't forget to push the chime on the right, so every time we upload a video, you'll be notified.